you can have accountability groups where everyone's working towards similar or same goals, and you just hold each other accountable, because there's something like almost like a psychological thing about having to report into someone. It makes you feel more committed and dedicated to the task. Okay. Number 3, you can get yourself a mentor, especially if you have someone who is showing you the ropes of how to do something, how to build your business, regardless of what it is. Literally emailing them or messaging them every single day your result keeps you accountable. I've done that many, many times, and it absolutely works. And the last one is getting yourself a coach. And this is what I do. And I help my clients be accountable. Not only do we map out our goals at the start of the month, we reverse engineer to daily activities, and I hold them accountable through my own coaching and also systems and tools that I have in place. And this works for them because they've tried all the other ways to be consistent. And so that's why they come to me.